Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Dose. Let's grow together one step every day. Today we are going to learn some interesting GK questions and answers. Learning never stops, so let's start today's video. The topic is historical and political figures. The first question: who was the first governor of Kerala? Answer: Ramakrishna Rao. The second question: who was the first woman to serve as a minister in Kerala? Answer: K.R. Gauriamma. Third question: who was the first women speaker of the Legislative Assembly? Answer: Shanu Devi. Fourth question: in which year was the modern state of Kerala officially formed? Answer: November 1, 1956. Fifth question: Kerala was the first state in Asia to democratically elect a communist government into power. What year did this happen? Answer: 1957. Okay friends, thank you for watching Daily Dose. See you in the next video. Bye bye.